This video will guide you through how to assemble your Cozyla Calendar Max Go. For safety, we recommend 2 people for this setup, as the device is heavy. After removing the safety lock, open the box and remove all the foam inserts. Now take a look at what's inside the box and confirm that the parts are all included and nothing is missing. Start by placing the battery on a flat surface and use the screwdriver to remove the 2 screws on the back cover. Then take the cover off. Next, align the U-shaped crossbar with the sides of the battery box. Slide it down along the guiding rails until it's fully in place. Using the 4 smaller screws and the smaller wrench, fasten the crossbar to the battery box at 4 different positions. Make sure everything is tight and stable before moving on. Now let's attach the legs to the battery box. Note that left and right are based on the front of the battery box. So the R leg will go on your current left side and the L leg will go on your right. Align the legs accordingly and attach the shorter side of it. Then use the larger wrench to secure them with the bigger screws. This completes the base of your rolling stand. Carefully take the main unit out of the box and place it on a flat surface. Then rotate the 2 poles 90 degrees. Move the rolling base closer, align the poles with the base and attach the power cord. With 2 people, lift the unit into a vertical position and place it onto the stand. Reattach the battery box cover and tighten the screws using the screwdriver. Finally, secure the legs using the 4 remaining screws with the bigger wrench. After connecting the power cord, your Cozyla Calendar Max Go is ready to use. The screen can rotate, so you can use it in both portrait and landscape modes. The camera also works seamlessly in either position. On the side, you'll find a magnetic strip for attaching your touchscreen pen when not in use. And you're all set. We hope you'll enjoy your new setup.